Top 5 richest persons in the world 2021. 1. Jeff Bezos is the founder of both Amazon, the world's largest retailer, and Blue Origin. With an estimated net worth of $177 billion, he is the richest man in the world. 2. Elon Musk is the CEO and co-founder of Tesla, CEO, chief designer, and founder of SpaceX, CEO, Neuralink, and founder of The Boring Company. His estimated net worth is $151 billion. 3. Bernard Arnault is the chair and CEO of LVMH, the world's largest luxury goods business, and chair of its holding company, Christian Dior SE. His estimated net worth is $150 billion. 4. Bill Gates is the co-founder of Microsoft, the largest software company in the world, and the co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. His estimated net worth is $124 billion. 5. Mark Zuckerberg is the CEO, chair, and co-founder of Facebook, the world's largest social networking service, as well as co-CEO and co-founder of the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative. His estimated net worth is $97 billion.